Hi, good afternoon everyone. So welcome to the class. Yesterday we were solving the problems of LPP. So today also we shall continue the class. Yesterday we were solving the problems of LPP and we have solved nearly 2 problems, and I also given 2 of the problems for your homework. So I think all of you are following those particular thing, and here you can see we have solved these 2 problems yesterday, and I have given these 2 problems for homework. So I feel that all of you have done this. Okay, so I solve these problems which I have given for the homework, and you also go on verifying your answers. Clear? So I can go on solving these problems, and you can also go on verifying your answers. Clear? Okay. See, we shall solve our problem number 3. So tell all your friends to join as much as early possible. Okay, see this. Here equation of z is equal to x plus 2y and x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100, 2x minus y lesser than or equal to 0, 2x plus y lesser than or equal to 200. Clear? Now you can see that we can write it as x plus 2y equal to 100, 2x minus y equal to 0, 2x plus y equal to 200. From this you can write both x and y terms. So take x value as 0. Tell me what will be y. If x is 0, 2y equal to 100, y equal to 50. Clear? So if y equal to 0, x will be 100. On the same way, you can go for the second equation. See here, if x is 0, y will be 0. Okay. If x0, y0 means it is the line passing through the origin. This is the line passing through the origin. So here you have to solve with the previous points. So that's why what I will do, I will take x value as 100. So see what will happen. If I take x value as 100, y will be 200. Okay. So whenever x is 0, y is 0, you have to choose the term from the previous box. So choose x equal to 100, put here 2 into 100 is 200. Therefore, y will be equal to 200. Go for the third equation and simplify it. So that is, again you can take x and y terms. If I take x value as 0, y will be 200. On the same way, if I take y as 0, x will be 100. So everyone quickly tell me, have you understood this? Have you understood this? Quickly tell me. That is, if x is 0, y is 50. If y is 0, x is 100. On the same way, if x is 0, y is 0 with the second equation. If I take x value as 100, y will be 200. So in the third equation, if x is 0, y is 200. So therefore, if I take y as 0, x will be 100. So all of you quickly tell me, have you understood these 3 boxes? If you have understood these 3 boxes, then we can go for solving the graph. So quickly tell me, everyone. All of you has to reply. So quickly tell me. If you have any doubts, you can ask, no problem. So you just go on verifying your solutions with the homework problem. Okay. So here we have to take the graph. So for that, give me 1 minute of time. I will take the graph. Okay, 1 second. I am going to have the graph sheet because I have not taken graph sheet here. Okay. Now let us go for solving the graph. Clear? So only few seconds. Okay. So thank you for your patience. I have not taken the graph, so that's why now no problem. We can continue it. So quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood these 3 boxes? So with these 3 boxes, now we can go for solving the graph. Clear? So let us take this as origin point. Okay. So see the numbers, you have 50, 100, 200. Clear? So that means I can take here 25, 50, 75, 100. So here 125, 150, 175. This is 200. On the same way, here I am going to take 25, 50, 75, 100. This is 125, 150, 175, and this will be 200. Clear? So now we can go for drawing the line, that is x is 0, y is 50. So take x is 0, y is 50. This is the point, x is 0, y is 50. Clear? And here you can see x is 100, y is 0. So x is 100, y is 0. Okay. So now we can draw the line here. You can just see, we can draw the line here from 50 to 100. Okay. So this is the line. That is from 50 to 100. Okay, take this line that is from 50 to 100, and the second line you can see that is x is 0, y is 0, x is 100, y is 200. X is 0, y is 0, okay, you can take the second point, that is x is 0, y is 0, that is the origin point, and another one is x is 100, y is 200. So take x is 100, y is 200. Therefore, this is the point. Clear? So now you have to join these two lines and take the line and you can join it, no problem. Clear? Okay. So these are the two lines. Now let us go for the third line. See the third line, x is 0, y is 200, x is 100, y is 0. Okay. X is 0, y is 200. X is 0, y is 200, and another point is x is 100, y is 0. X is 100, y is 0. Okay. So now we shall join this 2 points. So take the line and we shall join these 2 points. Okay. So now we can go for true or false. For joining the lines, it's getting little bit time, but no problem. You will have scales. You can join it very quickly. So for me, it is getting little bit tough to solve drawing the lines. No other problems. Okay. So now let us check true or false. Okay. So line passing through the origin is 2x minus y lesser than or equal to 0. First you see line passing through the origin. What is the line passing through the origin? 2x minus y, 2x minus y lesser than or equal to 0. So quickly tell me, for the line 2x minus y lesser than or equal to 0, what should I take the terms for x and y to check true or false? Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me, all of you, what should I take the points for x and y? So x I will take it as minus 10, y I will take it as plus 10. So that is the point of second quadrant. Okay. So therefore it will be 2 into minus 10. Minus 10 lesser than or equal to 0. So you can check that this is minus 20, minus 10 lesser than or equal to 0. Therefore it is true. So if it is true, then we know that the arrow mark must be towards the second quadrant, because this is the point of second quadrant. Use in the place of x and y, put minus 10, put plus 10, minus 20, minus 10, it will be minus 30, lesser than or equal to 0. So therefore it is true, it will go towards second quadrant. Okay. See the second line. Second line is x plus 2y greater than or equal to 0. So see this line, that is x plus 2y greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So see this point, it is telling x plus 2y greater than or equal to 200. So greater than or equal to 100. So put 0 0 here, put 0 0. 0 is greater than or equal to, it is telling that it is greater than or equal to 100. So 0 is greater than or equal to 100. This is going to be false. Okay, put 0 0 and check your answer. For x plus 2y, for x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100. Okay, so if I put x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100 here, it will be 0 is greater than or equal to 100. That is false. Therefore, away from the origin. This will be away from the origin. Okay. Next, check for the third line, and the third line is 2x plus y. So this is 2x plus y lesser than or equal to 200. Put 0 0. 0 will be lesser than or equal to 200. Therefore, it is true towards origin. Okay, so now the feasible region is going to be here. So this is your feasible region. Clear? So everyone can see this. This is your feasible region. So now we have to find the point A and point B. So for solving point A and point B, you see the lines. Point A is on, one is 2x minus y lesser than or equal to 0. Another one is x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 100. So solve that for point A. So for point A, you can see, for point A you can see that is x plus 2y equal to 100. Another equation is 2x minus y equal to 0. Okay, so we have to solve these two equations. Here you can see 2x equal to y. So in the place of y you can write 2x. X plus 2 into 2x equal to 100. So this will be 5x equal to 100, and x will be equal to 20. X will be equal to 20. Okay, so if x is 20, see here, put in the place of x 20, y will be equal to 40. So y is 40. So therefore 20 comma 40 is your point A. Now solve for point B. So see, point B is on two lines. So see the point B here. This is point B. Again you have to solve 2x minus y lesser than or equal to 0, and another equation is 2x plus y lesser than or equal to 200. Okay, so let us solve that. That will be, one is 2x minus y equal to 0. Another equation is 2x plus y equal to 200. So here you can see y is equal to 2x. In the place of y you write 2x. 2x plus 2x will be equal to 200. 4x will be equal to 200. Therefore x will be equal to 50. X will be equal to 50. So if x is 50, put here x value as 50. Therefore y equal to 2 times of 50, that is 100. So x is 50, y is 100. That is point B, 50 comma 100. Okay, so now coming to the graph, see your point C. What is your point C? You can take point C as this particular term. So point C is 0 comma 50, and point D is 0 comma 200. Okay, so now you can find minimum and maximum. Now you can find minimum and maximum. Okay, so solve that. write here points. Here point A is 20, 40. So z equation is x plus 2y. So in the place of x you write 20, in the place of y you write 40. So this will be 100. So point B, what is point B? Point B is 50, 100. So write 50, 100. In the place of x you write 50, in the place of y you write 100. So 200 plus 50 is 250. Next, point C. You can see there point C is 0, 50. Point C is 0, 50. So if you write x value as 0 and y value as 50, 2 into 50 is 100. On the same way you can write D value 0, 200. So D value is 0, 200. So 2 into 200 is 400. This is maximum and 100 is minimum. 400 is maximum and 100 will be minimum. Quickly tell me everyone, have you got the answer? So for solving the graph while taking the line, it got little bit late, no problem. So I think all of you can understand this. And our answer is maximum is 400, minimum is 100. Maximum is 400, minimum is 100. Okay. So all of you quickly tell me. Okay, so let us go for the next one. See the next one, that is z equal to, so have anyone solved the next one? If you solved, give me the answer. 600x plus 400y. So this is x plus 2y equal to 12. 2x plus y equal to 12. And another one is 4x plus 5y equal to 20. So we can simplify this and you can get the answer. So here x is 0, y is 6, y is 0, x is 12. Okay. You can see that if I put x is 0, y will be 6. If I put y is 0, x will be 12. On the same way, for the second line, you can see that if x is 0, y is 12. If y is 0, x is 6. For the third one, if you simplify and if you take x equal to 0, y will be 4. If y is 0, x will be 5. Okay. So these are the three boxes. So quickly tell me everyone, have you understood solving these three boxes? First you take x value as 0, y will be 6. Simplify. Take x value as 0 and simplify, y will be 6. And next you take y equal to 0, x will be 12. Next you take x as 0, y will be 12. Next you take y term as 0, x will be 6. Here you put x equal to 0, y will be 4. And if you take y equal to 0, x will be 5. So quickly you have to tell me everyone, have you understood this? Now I will go for drawing the graph. 6 and 12. Okay, 4 and 5. So I can take these terms as so let us draw the graph now. For that, see how to draw the graph. So say this 0, I will take here 2, I will take here 4, 6, 8, 10 and this is 12. Clear? So here also same 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and this is 12. Okay. So for the y-axis, I will change the terms. You see the values for y-axis again. that will be, here this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, eight, 10, and here this will be 12. Okay. So now you should draw the graph. You should draw the graph and you can check the values. For 2 centimeters I have taken 2. So again I has to change for 6 because 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. And here this is 5 and here this is 6. So see 4 and this is 5, this is 6. So 4, 5 and this is 6, 7. So while drawing the graph, please be careful. Okay. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, this is 10 and this is 12. Okay. Okay. Now no problem. Now we can take the points and go on solving. What are the points? See the points and draw the line. So the points are x is 0, x is 0, y is 6. X is 0, y is 6. So for that you can take x is 0 and y is 6. Take x is 0, y is 6. Clear? X is 0, y is 6. And another point is x is 12, y is 0. So x is 12, y is 0. Okay. Now we have to join the line. For this it will take little bit time for me. Have some patience so that we can draw the graph very neatly. We can draw the graph very neatly. So 6 to 12. Okay. Okay. So now you can see that the equation is x plus 2y lesser than or equal to 12. X plus 2y. The equation is x plus 2y lesser than or equal to 12. Clear? And see the second line. Points are x is 0, y is 12. X is 0, y is 12. And another point is x is 6, y is 0. X is 6, y is 0. Okay. So now we have to draw the line. Let us draw the line very neatly. Clear? So x is 12. Okay. So this is x is 12, y is 6. Clear? So now again you can go for the third line. Write the equation of the line 2x. So here the equation of the line is 2x plus y. Write the equation 2x plus y lesser than or equal to 12. 2x plus y lesser than or equal to 12. Clear? Okay. Now let us go for the third line. X is 0, y is 4. X is 0, y is 4. And the another one is x is 5, y is 0. X is 5. 5 means this term. X is 5, y is 0. X is 5, y is 0. So on the same way, x is 0, y is 4. Clear? We have to join these two terms. So for joining these two terms, you can see that I has to insert the line here. Okay. So see this. This will be our third line. So now you can check true or false for this also. And the equation is 2x plus 4x plus 5y lesser than or equal to 20. 4x plus 5y lesser than or equal to 20. This is 4x plus 5y lesser than or equal to 20. Okay. So check true or false. Every terms put 0, 0. 0 will be lesser than or equal to 12. It is true. Are you getting my point? And here also put 0, 0. 0 is lesser than or equal to 12. This is also true. And put 0, 0 for this term. 0 is lesser than or equal to 20. This is also true. Okay. So now all the arrow marks will intersect here. This will be the feasible region. So check this answer. Once you cross verify, check this answer, and once you cross verify this, because I am getting some little bit doubt for this. With the graph I am getting little bit doubt. So please cross verify this. So if anyone has got the graph, please verify this and tell me we have got the correct graph or not. Because here corner points are A, B and C. All are directly given. This is 5, 0. This is 0, 0. And this is 0, 4. Okay. So that is, this is 5, 0. This is 0, 0. And this is 0, 4. So if graph comes like this, it will be very easy to simplify. Point A is 5, 0. Point B is 0, 0. Point C is 0, 4. Clear? So take the points directly. Point A is, here no need to solve the equations. Point A is 5, 0. Point A is 5, 0. Point B is 0, 0. And point C is 0, 4. Point C is 0, 4. And the equation of Z is equal to 600x plus 400y. So simplify. This will be 300. This is 0. And this will be 1600. So here you can tell me that this is maximum and this is minimum. Need not to solve any equation. Here you need not to solve any equation because all corner points on the axis itself. So you can directly write it, no problem. So once cross verify the graph. Okay. After the class also you can cross verify the graph, no problem. and you can check your answers. Clear? So now we shall go for the next problem. Okay, so see the next problem, that is z equal to 4x plus y, x plus y is lesser than or equal to 50, 3x plus y is lesser than or equal to 90. So x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Here you have only two equations. That means only two lines you are going to get. Okay. So x plus y equal to 50, 3x plus y equal to 90. So solve this. It is going to be x is 0, y is 50, y is 0, x is 50. And see the next one. If x is 0, y is 90. If y is 0, x is 30. Okay. So here you get only two equations. Here you are going to get only two equations and you have to solve them and you have to get the answer. Okay. So now we can solve it, no problem. So draw the graph and get the answer. So this is 0. Here you can see, okay, I can take it as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and this is 100. Here also you can take the same. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, this is 90, and this is 100. Okay. So now from this we have to solve the first line, 0, 50. So take the first point, that is 0, 50. This is 0, 50 and this is 50, 0. We have to join this line. Let us join this line. Okay. So join these 2 points. Clear? And write the equation. What is the equation of this line? X plus y lesser than or equal to 50. Write it. X plus y lesser than or equal to 50. And see the second points. 0, 90, 30, 0. 0, 90. This is 0, 90 and 30, 0. 0, 90, 30, 0. So we shall draw the line and join it. That is these 2 points. Okay. So now check true or false. So this is 3x plus y. 3x plus y lesser than or equal to 90. So put 0, 0. 0 is lesser than or equal to 50. This is true. Put 0 is lesser than or equal to 90. It is true. Okay. So now this is going to be the feasible region. This is going to be the feasible region, and only one corner point you have to find. Let us take this as A. So if you want to find this point A, you have to solve these two equations. So two equations are present, we can solve them. For point A, you can take x plus y equal to 50. Another one is 3x plus y equal to 90. Choose elimination method. Okay. So take 3x plus y equal to 90 and subtract x plus y equal to 50. So this will be 2x, y will get cancelled. 90 minus 50 will be 40. So therefore x is equal to 20. So if x is 20, use here. In the place of x, use 20. So therefore 20 plus y equal to 50. Y will be equal to 50 minus 20. Y is 30. So therefore 20 comma 30 is the point. 20 comma 30 is the point. So right here. Write the points and equation of z, that is 4x plus y. So point A is 20 comma 30. See the point B. Point B is 0 comma 0, or you can take this term as point B. So that is 30 comma 0. So point B is 30 comma 0. Point B is 30 comma 0. Take point C 0 comma 0. Point D is, you can see here, this is point C, 0 comma 0, point C, and this is point D, 0 comma 50. Point D is 0 comma 50. Okay. So this is 0 comma 50. In the place of z, you write x value, y value. So x is 20. 4 into 20 is 80. 80 plus 30 is 110. 4 into 30, 120. This is 0 and this is 50. So here 120 is maximum and 0 is minimum. 120 is maximum and 0 is minimum. So I think everyone understood this. See the graph. You got the correct answers. Okay. So now I think you can solve the remaining two problems on your own. Solve the remaining two problems on your own and try to get the answers. Clear? These two problems, try to solve on your own and try to get the answers. No problem. Okay. So now I think LPP problems are very easy to solve you. So quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood the problems of LPP? Shall I go for the next continuity chapter? So remaining two problems, solve on your own and you try to get the answers for those two problems. Okay. So I can go for continuity problems if you give the permission. Please tell me, have you understood or not? So next chapter is continuity. Okay. So from the next class, I am going to solve continuity chapter. So on LPP, you solve this much of problems, more than enough. First problem, second problem, and third problem, fourth problem are very, very important. 1, 2, 3, 4. First problem, second problem, third problem, and you see the fourth problem. Okay, so they are very, very important. You solve them. Clear? So next I will go for continuity from the next class. So from the next class I will go for the continuity chapter. I think 6 mark problem will be very easy for you all now. Go through it and try to get the correct answers, because for LPP there will be 6 marks. Okay, so next I will go for continuity. Clear? So thank you everyone. Let us meet in the next session, that is tomorrow.